Hi guys, it's Leslie. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I took just ordinary $40 curtains right behind me and transformed them to make them look like $400 curtains. If you want to see how I did it, keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do when making your curtains look more expensive than what you actually paid for is, number one, you want to go with a quality fabric. I have chosen a heavy duty velvet. Now velvet is very lush, it's very rich looking, it feels good to the touch, but these were only $40 and they're heavy. And if you look at how they're made, they give you a few options on how to hang them. You can either do the rod pocket and slide it on the rod and it'll have that gathered look. We don't want that because that kind of looks like a casual look. You can actually put pins in them, drapery pins, and then you can hang them up on curtain rings. That's not the look that we're going for. Remember, we want to be affordable, and so we want to keep our cost as minimal as possible. Today I'm going to be showing you that I'm just going to be using the curtain rings. These are curtain rings. Many of you have probably have them in your home, or many of you have seen them and wanted to use them but maybe didn't know how to use them. I'm going to show you how to use these and actually how to hang them up to give it that tailored custom look that we like to see and emulate in the stores. Now this velvet is thick, so look closely and I'm going to show you how to put these rings on, and the way I place my rings, they will be easily spaced. So this is a quick tidbit. Save it in your favorites folder so that you can reference it in future decorating endeavors. But this is what we're going to do. This is a 50-inch, let's turn it around, and these are lined. These are lined, guys, for 40 bucks. This is a 50-inch curtain, okay, from hand to hand. We're going to fold it in half. While I'm folding it in half, I'm going to take the first ring clip. The first ring clip. I'm going to put the ring clip in right there. This is number one. Then on the back side of the fold, I'm going to place the other ring clip. And listen, these are so sturdy. If you can see them, they're very sturdy, and these are the oil rubbed bronze color that I chose to go with. I'm just going to place this. They're sturdy, and this is a thick fabric. So we've got the first set. In the center of the fold, right here, I am going to place the third hook. And that's in the center of the fold. The next thing I'm going to do is now fold the curtain in half again. So I've halved it again on its side. So remember, we had it half and then we've halved it again. So what I'm going to do with this is I am going to place a curtain ring in the center. See that? In the center. Then on the second half, I'm going to place another curtain ring right behind it. On the third half of the fold, I will place another curtain ring right behind it. I don't have time to be doing all that measuring. That's 35 to 40 minutes of my life that I can't get back. This is the easiest way for me to do it, and I hope that you will find it useful as well. Then I'm going to take the next curtain ring and place it in the center of the outside fold. And then I will take the last curtain ring and place it, look at this, on the center of the fold. When I open them up, this is what I have. You can see all the curtain rings are evenly spaced. Look at that. They are all evenly spaced. So now I'm going to show you how they look once they are hung. Look how easy that was. Look how quick that was for us to do. I hope you enjoyed it. So keep watching. I'm going to show you how they look once they're hung. Okay guys, so I just wanted to jump in here real quick, and I hope that you like this video. These curtains were $40 a panel. As you can see, I've got 4 panels, which came up to about $160, not including tax. But if you wanted to get that soft fold that kind of gives you that semi-custom look, because we've already evenly spaced our rings, it makes it so easy just to pull those folds out, and it makes the curtain just drape beautifully. Okay guys, so these are all 4 panels beautifully installed on my kitchen windows. And yes, I did do velvet curtains in my kitchen. I think they just added just the right amount of zhuzh that I was looking for. And I got such a great deal. The value that these curtains have brought into my home has just been exponential. Always remember, always go for value. Value plays the long game. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. And had I known that it was going to make my kitchen look this way, I would have done this a long time ago, but I'm really glad that I did it now, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. It's always warmly welcome here on the channel. And until next time, guys, be good to yourself and each other. I'll see you soon.